Hey, we're looking at finding the area of regular polygons, and we have my favorite word in geometry. This segment that goes from the center of this regular polygon perpendicular to the side, that is the apothem. And remember, a regular polygon means that all sides and all angles are equal. So when we're finding the area of this regular polygon, what we're actually going to do is we're going to imagine if this were a triangle, we could find the area of that triangle if we knew this side length. We know to find the area of a triangle, we take 1/2 times base times height. In this case, our base would be the side length and our height would be our apothem. And that would find the area of that triangle. Now for a regular polygon, how many triangles depends on how many sides. In this case, we're looking at a pentagon. Pentagons have 5 sides. So I would take the area of this triangle times 5. If we're working with a hexagon, take it times 6, because that's how many triangles we could cut it up into, and all those triangles would be the same. So what we end up with for our formula for regular polygons, big A is for the area, and I have 1/2 times little a for the apothem, times S, the side length, times N, the number of sides that that polygon has. Now the other thing, we know to find the perimeter of polygons that we could take however many sides it has times the side length times the number of sides. So we have another formula where we are just substituting perimeter in for S times N. So we could take 1/2 times A the apothem times P the perimeter, and we would be doing the same thing, finding the same area. So we'll do one example together. So here I have a hexagon. All right, so we've got our 6 sides. All right, so that means N is equal to 6. We are given the apothem is 7.79 feet. And then the other piece we have is our side length, which we're given is 9 feet. So then to find the area, we have 1/2 times the apothem, 7.79, times the side length, 9, times the number of sides. It's a hexagon, we're going to have 6 triangles. Plug that into our handy dandy calculator. And we see that that area is 210.33. And then label, label, label. We're talking square feet because we are looking at the area.